Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I have the great pleasure of sailing on board the beautiful, brand new Star of the Seas. This is one of the Surfside Family View balconies here on board. It's the accessible variety. I'll take you through that and share in just a minute, but when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on hartravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you can see that it is a wider door here. Now you press the button on the inside or you tap your key on the outside. It is automated, and I really appreciate that. Now the bathroom has a wider door as well. It's easy to open, as you can see there. As we head inside, you're gonna have a lower vanity, very intentional, and I appreciate that. 2 full US plugs lower as well. A little bit of storage to the side. Toilets tucked just behind. I do wish there was a third grab bar here, but you've got the 2. You'll also find you have the adjustable shower wand. Not sure why the bath amenity is up that high, but hopefully they'll put that down lower. And then you're also gonna find the bench seat with a nook for your own amenities. Now you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready, hooks for storage. You also have your temperature controls here. And then just inside, you're gonna have a USB and USB-C charger. Now you'll find your large flat panel TV, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. Directly across, the beds together in what they call their Royal King configuration. It does separate apart into 2 twins, and if that's your preference, let your Harr Travel advisor know. Now there's space underneath the bed to tuck your items away, but the bed is intentionally lower, which I appreciate. Storage on either side slightly with the nightstands, US plug here, and then USB chargers on either side. Now your sofa here does fold out for additional bedding, so you can get up to 4 in here, and then across from there, you're gonna find your vanity you can use to get ready, US plug, European, USB, and USB-C charger, hair dryers just inside. Now you've got hanging storage here. As I open this up, you're gonna have more hanging storage across, and I do appreciate that the pole will come down so that you can get that at a lower level. Just underneath, you have a mini fridge as well. Now we're out on your Surfside balcony. Now you've got 2 chairs here that do have an ottoman. They also recline, coffee table in the middle. Now it's really important when booking one of these to understand that you do look directly across at other rooms. Now a lot of people like this because you have your outdoor space here. If you want to consider one of the upgrades to an ocean view, we have all of the accessible suites all the way up to the Icon Loft. Now I did want to point out that you've got a gentle ramp on the inside. There's a ramp out here as well, and then they can remove any furniture based on your request. Now when you're ready to turn this into your home away from home and book any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on hartravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.